We're going to show how to operate this machine. This is a sharpening machine. This is a blade more or less the size of your machine. The first thing we do is we mount the blade in the machine. This piece needs to center the blade on the shaft.
Very hard.
Put it backwards. Then we lift a bit the blade until the blade is perfectly centered. Then we close this and we give the height of the blade a bit not lower. Not the lower part cannot go below this section. Like that it cannot be, because then the blade, the stone will hit this section of the machine. So you need to be a bit higher. Then we lock the blade in position. The machine has something that is called a pusher. Has a pusher. This pusher, what it does, it pushes the blade teeth by teeth. Okay, so if I start now, it's not doing anything. So we need to lower. ¿Quién me dejó ese en el medio? ¿Quién fue? ¿Vos? Ah, yes. Ya me imagino. So just try to adjust when the pusher is all the way forward. Okay. 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 When the pusher is all the way forward, is the best position to set the pusher. So the pusher, we can pull the blade in. The pusher can never reach the lower section, because it will get jammed with the blade and it will get stuck. So we push maybe in the middle of the teeth. Then if we have a second pusher, I don't know if your machine will bring that, we can put the pusher in the second teeth. We put the first pusher touching the second pusher, touching also the teeth here, and then we tighten. If it moves, then you check again, touching. Luz aquí, que no veo, luz aquí. Luz aquí, en la cabeza del mío, aquí. Okay? Touching and touching, okay? This is what you want. So now you start the machine. You will see. Okay? Let's say this is here, ven aquí. This lever here will control how much it will push, okay? So if I adjust this is adjusted to more or less 115, okay? So it's adjusted to 15, but if I release more, it will start jumping more teeth that I'm supposed to jump. I'm supposed to go to one teeth only. So I adjust back to 15 millimeters, and now it's jumping one teeth at a time. One teeth, 1, 2, 3, perfect. So we have the tightening this piece to center the blade. We close, we adjust the height of the blade on the machine, and then we adjust the pushers. This part, the adjustment of how much it pushes, you don't have to do it every time you adjust. You only do it once, and then the machine stays there forever. Then we will adjust the angle of the machine. Vente por acá con la luz, de este lado. Véngase por acá usted por favor. So we have the angle of the machine, of the head, could be changed here, okay? So we have degrees here, we have degrees, okay? Now this blade is adjusted to more or less 20 degrees. 20 degrees, we tighten, and we are basically done with that adjustment. This head is adjusted only once. We have adjustment in here. Come here. Okay, we have adjustment in here for straight teeth, loose, aquí abajo, for straight teeth or angle teeth. The straight teeth is when the blade is coming straight. I'm sorry, the stone is going down straight for this type of teeth. And then we have angle teeth, which is like that. So now this for the different teeth. We go back to straight teeth. We also have teeth. This is a feed feature. How many teeth per minute you will sharpen. So the adjustment should be done in 30 teeth per minute. And then you can go to 60. Never 80 because it's too fast. You don't have a sharpening company, so you better work the machine slow. This adjustment here will push forward or backwards the teeth, okay? This is just aligning the teeth to the stone. This is what this adjustment will do. If it's too forward, then we need to adjust it. This is fast adjustment and this is slow adjustment, okay? This other adjustment here, what it does is gives me the depth of the teeth, okay? This is will adjust how deep the stone will go, okay? We usually adjust this to about 12, 11 millimeters. Sometimes with these teeth we can go deeper, but let's see how this machine is right now. I will start the machine, start pushing, okay? And now we want to see the stone. Okay, this machine is going up and down. Now we need to, in this adjustment here, a ver, vete acá arriba, acá arriba, acá arriba, acá arriba. This adjustment will push the blade, the stone down, okay, to reach the blade. So we go down. Always wear your safety goggles when you're doing this operation. Right now, you're sharpening the back section and the front section. Once, esto está bajando duro. If you're eating too much, you will burn the teeth. You can see there, you can see that the tip is burned. You don't want to do that because this is too much. So you go up a bit. it's better. Now you see that it's not burned. So once you change the machine to, once you set the machine, you lift again this lever, and then you can change to a faster speed, okay? You can see how good the sharpening is. Start touching until you feel that it's sharp, okay? We can sharpen with angle or with bevel, but for a system in a company, small company, it's better to do it this way because you sharpen faster the blade. Your operator will operate the machine very easily. If we start getting complicated with different angles, then it becomes, you need to be a special operator, and you need to have a special skill. This way, the machine is easy to set, and the machine can be operated by basically anyone that can operate, you know, a drill or any kind of other machine. Thank you very much.